Well, welcome back to car number 28, and in today's video we're at Stretton Karting again for this Saturday pre-race practice evening with fellow karting content creator Finny Cadet 77. Find him on YouTube and TikTok under the same name. Anyway, let's get into the video. So first, let's kick off the content with a quick hot lap and track guide. Let's start with a hot lap. Through the lap again with a sort of track guide. So, as we cross the line and come up to this first corner, the carousel, we want to stick to the left and brake at the brake here sign on the inside before tapping this entry curb, turning in late and getting back on the power to exit into the middle. Now we want to come over to the right towards this cone to come flat out, getting as close as we can to the barrier. Then we want to just touch this entry runoff and come flat out, getting all four wheels onto this inside curb. Then we keep the foot planted as we come round Perry's, this flat out left-hander that flows nicely into this other flat right-hander, which again flows nicely into the double apex, where you have to lift a little and power on towards the hairpin, where you want to brake about here and carry much more speed than you would expect before flowing out to the exit, just skimming the runoff. Then we come flat out through the dogleg and tap the brakes to hit the inside curb and speed through the last corner. So there we go, that is the Stretton circuit track guide completed. Now let's move on to a few sessions later. Now here we come through the dogleg towards the last corner, and the GoPro is going to fall off as its mount breaks. However, it managed to stay balanced on the entree for quite a while, even as we come onto this main straight and through the carousel. But that was until the entry towards this left-hander, where it was flung off and placed on the track, where it stayed until Dad finally came to the rescue and brought it back to safety in the pit lane. Is it still recording? Let's go! Oh dear. Oh dear, that's a bit damaged, isn't it? Oh my days. That's weird. I ended up getting a 37.91 that day, which I was extremely happy about, but I couldn't get the GoPro on for that session. Now anyway, let's move on to Sunday. It's Sunday, it's race day, and it's also soaking, so this is going to be an amazing race, and I'm really looking forward to it.
Not sure if we need a boat or a go-kart to race in this race.
Exactly, it is absolutely torrential. There is standing water literally everywhere. So now here is a time lapse of my track walk, where we were greeted by standing water on pretty much every single corner, especially the two hairpins and Perry's. In the end, the officials ended up cancelling the race for that day, although a few of us decided to book on for some practice sessions in these conditions. Also, big shout out to the road tax driver who was there and said he recognised me from YouTube. So thanks for watching my videos if you're watching this one. And another shout out to the number 7 who would have had his first race that day if it were not for the rain. So good luck for the next race, which I won't be at if you do it. Now my dad got a few outboard videos, so I'll play a short montage with those clips in, plus a few good ones from Saturday. So anyway, if you want to see Finley's video, I'll link that in the link in the description. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly karting content. It's free and it helps me out a ton. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!